basically once you get them loose, you can sneak in here with just the socket or your fingers. Remove the screws completely. Make sure there's nothing down in this area that's binding or damaging to this fuse. You can stick the new one in place. Tighten both of these hold downs snug with your ratchet. I mean, it's all a tight fit, but they literally had us removing the entire front of the dryer and the drum and the belt and all of that just to get to this. So I'm a fan of shortcuts, and I'm also not a fan of heavy lifting, so this way is easier. Get the connectors onto the new fuse. We'll put it back together. Let's see if we fixed it. Put this vent tube back in place. Tighten the 2 1/4-inch screws. Just slide this clip back behind here so that it also holds this guy in place. Like so. Plug the dryer back in. See if it works. Voila! Actually, I still have this guy slipping and sliding around in here, which isn't the best, but everything spins, and with the door closed, the dryer works. Awesome.